When we started thinking about having a networking conference, the first thing that we thought about was the fact that we didn't actually want to have a standard conference where people were sitting around and listening to speakers and having being talked at really. We wanted it to be a really interactive day with lots of opportunity to network and to find out new things and meet new people.
One thing that we should say is that the whole organising and the design of the event today has been all about co-production. So we asked the projects what they wanted from the day, how they would like it to be delivered. We gave them a few ideas, but they've really bought into the whole of that idea.
Because a lot of the 2010 projects are finishing now, this will be the early opportunity for them to kind of meet us and for them to celebrate what they've actually achieved.
So my role here today is to facilitate a session this afternoon about commissioning, but also to be on hand to talk about financial health checks and also just general commissioning ready and the work that we're doing within the rest of the fund.
I'm here today obviously as a delegate and in our capacity as a delivery partner, but also I've been facilitating a session this morning which has been exploring alternative forms of giving.
I was facilitating a small group that was exploring the ideas around co-production, which is essentially about getting people to think differently about the relationship between ordinary folk, citizens, people who might need some extra support, and the communities in which they live.
For me, it's an opportunity to meet people who are delivering projects in local communities, who are learning from the projects that they're delivering, and how we can take some of that learning back to the department to inform our policy, and also how we can help projects connect up better with the NHS and local government so that there's a proper partnership at local level.
There's so much out there, but it's kind of giving them something that they can actually use and take away with them. So I've given, for example, I created a web page before I got here with everything that I thought I might be speaking about today, and took some of the input from the people that I've spoken about and made little notes so I can kind of, some of the things that I maybe didn't think would crop up, I can actually go back and put that on that web page, and I've already given them the link to it so they can kind of go off and get that information.
So the volunteering session that I ran this morning was 3 case studies of volunteer projects that have been funded by the fund. So we had 4 presenters actually, so 2 ladies from one project and then 2 other projects. So they all gave a presentation about their project, the kind of exciting things they've been doing.